Hi everyone, I am Prasanna, working as a assistant professor in BVC Engineering College, Vadal. I am going to teach digital signal processing. Now we are going to discuss basics in digital signal processing. First one is signal. So signal is nothing but it carries some information and it also contains some energy. And it also defined as that any physical quantity that varies with time, space or any other independent variable. It also said to be an signal. Next one is types of signal. There are three types. One is analog signal, second one is discrete time signal, third one is digital signal. First one is analog signal. In analog signal, both amplitude and time period are continuous. On x-axis we are taking time period and y-axis taking amplitude x of t. Here both amplitude and time period are continuous. The example of analog signal is sine wave signal. Second one is discrete time signal. In discrete time signal, continuous in amplitude and discrete in time period. So in discrete time signal, continuous in amplitude and discrete in time period. So it is discrete time signal. So here time period is discrete and so on. And next third type is digital signal. In digital signal, both time period and amplitude are discrete. It is represented in the form of ones and zeros. Like pulse waveform. 1 0 1 0 1 0. So here in digital signal both time period and amplitude are discrete and it is represented in ones and zeros form 1 0 1 0 format. Here our next topic is signal processing. So signal processing is nothing but the operation that changes the characteristics of a signal. So here characteristics are nothing but amplitude, frequency, phase. Okay, so any of these parameter changes of a given signal, then the process is said to be signal processing. So signal processing can be done in two ways. One is analog and the second one is digital form. So we are having analog signal processing system and digital signal processing system. So first of all we are going to discuss analog signal processing system. So in signal processing we are having two types, analog signal processing and digital signal processing. So now we are going to discuss analog signal processing system. For analog signal processing system we are giving input x of t and output y of t. So in analog signal processing, that system that processes the analog signal is known as analog signal processing system. So here we are giving analog input x of t and we are getting output analog output that is represented as y of t. So the process of converting analog to analog system is analog signal processing system is used to process the analog signals. So our next topic is digital signal processing. So digital signal processing can be discussed in my next video. Thank you.